Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here to discuss about the topic basic connectivities and truth table logical equivalence. So let's get started with the topic. Introduction to basic connectivities and truth table. Basic connectivities in logics are fundamental logical operations used to manipulate the propositions. Truth tables are tools used to determine the truth value of a compound proposition based on the true values of their components. Understanding the logical equivalence is crucial for simplifying the complex logical expressions. Conjunction, that is the AND connectivity. The conjunctive connectivity represented by AND is used only when both the propositions are true. The truth table for conjunction shows that the compound proposition is true only when both the components are true. In logical statements, conjunction is often used to express a condition where both conditions must be met. Coordinating conjunctions. For we listened eagerly, for he brought news for our families. And she didn't speak to anyone, and nobody spoke to her. Nor, I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. But they rushed to the hospital, but they were too late. Or, I will go shopping, or I will go camping. Yet, Kenley was a convent criminal, yet many people admired him. So, I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. Disjunction, that is the OR connective. The disjunction connective represented by OR is true if at least one of the propositions is true. The truth table for disjunction shows that the compound proposition is false only when both the components are false. Disjunction is commonly used to express a situation where either of the conditions can be met. The disjunction of the proposition P and Q is denoted by P or Q and has a truth table. When P is true and Q is true, the P and R is also true. When P is true and Q is false, the P or Q is true. When P is false and Q is true, the P or Q is true. But when P is true, P is false and Q is false, P or V is also false. If P denoted I will go to the gym and Q denoted I watch TV, then PVQ denotes I will go to the gym or I watch TV. Negation connective. The negation connective represented by negation reverses the truth value of the proposition. The truth table for negation shows that the compound proposition is true when the original proposition is false and vice versa. Negation is frequently used to express the opposite of a given statement. Conditional, that is if-then connective. The conditional connective represented by arrow mark expresses this that if the first proposition is true, then the second proposition must also be true. The truth table for the conditional shows that the compound proposition is false only when the first component is true and the second is false. Conditionals are commonly used in logical argument and implications. Biconditional, that is if and only if connective. The biconditional connective represented by biconditional states that the two propositions are either both true or both false. The truth table for the biconditional shows that the compound proposition is true only when both the components have the same truth value. Biconditionals are used to express equivalence between the two propositions. So the double implication of truth table is when P is true and Q is true, the double implication becomes true. When P is true and Q is false, the double implication is false. When P is false and Q is true, the double implication will be false. When P is false and Q is false, the double implication will become true. So logical equivalence. Logical equivalence refers to the relationship between two logical expressions that have the same truth values for all possible truth values assignments. Two logical expressions are equivalent if they always have the same truth value, regardless of the truth values of the component. Logical equivalence is crucial for simplifying the complex logical expressions and proving the theorems in the logic. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law are important rules that show how to express the negation of conjunctions and disjunctions. The first law states that negation of P and Q is equivalent to negation of P or negation of Q. The second law states that negation of P or Q is equivalent to negation of P and negation of Q. Logical implication. Logical implication is a relationship between two propositions where the truth of the first proposition guarantees the truth of the second. In logical implication, if the is true and the consequent is false, the implication is false. Otherwise, it is true. Logical implications are often used in mathematical proofs and conditional statements. Tautology and contradiction. A tautology is a compound proposition that is always true regardless of the truth values of its components. A contradiction is a compound proposition that is always false regardless of the truth table values of its components. Tautologies and contradictions are important concepts in logics to understand the properties of the logical connectives. Logical equivalence of De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law can be used to show the logical equivalence between the original expression and its negation. The equivalence of the De Morgan's law can be proven using the truth tables, demonstrating that the expressions have the same truth values. Understanding the logical equivalence of De Morgan's law is essential for simplifying the complex logical expressions. Logical equivalence of the conditional statement. Conditional statements can be logically equivalent to their contrapositives. The contrapositives of a conditional statement is formed by a negation both the ascendees and the consequent and reversing their order. Proving the logical equivalence of the conditional statements and their contrapositive is essential in logical reasoning and proof writing. Logical equivalence of biconditional statement. Biconditional statements can be logically equivalent to the conjunction of two conditional statements. The logical equivalence of biconditional statements and the conjunction of conditional statements can be demonstrated using the truth tables. Recognizing the logical equivalence of the biconditional statements and conditional statements is important in establishing the mathematical and logical proofs. Logical equivalence of tautologies. Tautologies are logically equivalent to the truth value true in all the possible scenarios. The logical equivalence of the tautologies can be proven by constructing the truth table that shows the tautology always evaluates to true. Recognizing the logical equivalence of the tautology is crucial in simplifying the logical expressions and proofs. Two propositions are said to be logically equivalent if the truth tables are identical. Logical equivalence of contradictions. Contradictions are logically equivalent to the truth table value false in all the possible scenarios. The logical equivalence of the contradictions can be demonstrated by constructing the truth table that shows the contradiction always evaluates to false. Understanding the logical equivalence of the contradiction is an important in identifying inconsistency in logical arguments and expressions. Applications of the logical equivalence in computer science. The logical equivalence plays a vital role in simplifying the Boolean expression in computer science. Boolean algebra utilizes the logical equivalence to optimize the circuit designs and minimize the number of logical gates required. Understanding the logical equivalence is essential for computer scientists to improve the efficiency and performance of digital systems. Practical examples of logical equivalence in everyday life. Logical equivalence can be applied in everyday decision-making process to evaluate the validity of arguments. Recognizing the logical equivalence helps the individuals assess the consistency and coherence of the statements in discussions and debates. By understanding the logical equivalence, individuals can enhance their critical thinking skills and make well-informed judgment. Challenges and limitations of the logical equivalence. One challenge of the logical equivalence is the complexity of verifying the equivalence for complex logical expressions. Limitations of logical equivalence include the potential for errors in evaluating the truth values and overlooking subtitle difference in propositions. Despite challenges and limitations, mastering the logical equivalence is essential for ensuring the accuracy and validity of logical reasoning. So, here comes the conclusion and the summary. Basic connectivities and the truth tables are the foundational concepts in the logics that helps analyze the truth tables of compound proposition. Logical equivalence is a powerful tool for simplifying the complex logical expressions and proving the equivalence of the logical statement. By understanding the basic connectivities, truth tables, and the logical equivalence, individual can enhance their logical reasoning skills and apply them in various fields. Thank you for watching my video. Like and share the video.